Okay guys, so today I got these 3 palettes by Okalan. I am obsessed. They are very pigmented. Sorry about my background. I'm waiting on the new one to come, but my daughter, she likes using this one. As you can tell, I'm just going in with one transition color. It is gorgeous. They blend out so easily, as you can tell. I'm using, I think, yeah, my Morphe brush. I forgot a couple brushes in my other room, so I just worked with literally, what, about 7 brushes. I do the liner later on, but I just wanted to show you guys how good they blend out. The corner color, it looks gorgeous. It blends in easily, and you just add a little tiny bit, and then you just keep blending and blending until it goes in the crease. Then right here I'm going into another palette. I actually use all 3 of them. They are gorgeous. They are newer palettes. Oh, I love them. They actually do look like a dupe for the really expensive Natasha Denona, and they blend out pretty much the same. Now I'm going in with my under eye. I always have to have a good under eye color going on. I add about 3 to 4 colors, and they blend out really well underneath the lines on the waterline. I always go in with another in case it loses some of the stuff. It didn't have too much fallout. As you can tell, I had my whole face done and everything, and I didn't really have much fallout at all. And I'm going in just to blend it all together. I use about 3 to 4 transition colors right here. I'm adding some more. This is dry. This is literally dry. Look how dry and good it looks on the lid, and that is dry. trying to show you these colors. These ones I'm going in for even more darker, intense under eye.